What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to stop mobile phone sound or audio coming from smartwatch. So if you're having the problem where after connecting your smartwatch to your mobile phone, the audio or sound starts to come from the smartwatch instead of actually coming from your phone, this video will guide you on how to solve that problem once and for all. I'm going to be showing you how to do it on an Android phone and on an iPhone, so you just want to stick around. First things first, on your Android phone, what you want to do is to actually make sure that both your smartwatch and your phone are connected together. So over here is my Fit Pro smartwatch, and I will just go ahead and open up my Fit Pro smartwatch app over here and make sure that both devices are connected. From the set tab, I'll just search for the name of my Fit Pro smartwatch. So over here is the name of my Fit Pro smartwatch. I'll go ahead and select it, and once both devices are connected, you also want to make sure that they are also paired via Bluetooth as well. So from the Bluetooth of my Android phone, you can literally see that I also have my Watch 8, which is basically the name of my Fit Pro smartwatch, over here connected as well. Now if you actually try to play a YouTube video or just any audio or sound from YouTube or any source on my phone, you're actually going to notice that the sound or audio will start coming from my smartwatch over here instead of actually coming from my phone. As you can see, it is currently coming from my smartwatch and not my phone, and this is not exactly what we want. Now to solve this problem, what you want to do is to basically just head over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and then from over here we have our smartwatch connected. You want to go ahead and click on this icon over here on the left hand side. The icon might actually be different on your phone depending on the type of phone you're using, but just make sure you click on the icon on the right hand side. And then from over here, you're going to see the audio feature or media audio, whichever one it is called on your phone. Just make sure you turn off media audio. Now once this is turned off, you should now be able to play any sound or audio and it will actually come out from your phone. So I'll just play something now. 5G 4K Android TV box. And so as you can see, it actually comes from my phone now instead of my smartwatch. And if you actually go over to my smartwatch, you also see that both devices are still connected. Now that is basically how to solve it if you're using an Android. The whole process is quite different if you're using an iPhone. Now for an iPhone, what you want to do first things first is to actually make sure that both devices are connected. So here's my Fit Pro smartwatch, and I'll just go ahead and pair it with my Fit Pro app on my iPhone so that it can actually find the name of my Fit Pro smartwatch. I'll select the name of the smartwatch over here, click on pair, click on allow, and as you can see, both devices are now connected together. Click on OK, and actually if you go over to the Bluetooth settings of my iPhone over here, you're going to see that Bluetooth is actually connected to Watch 8, which is actually the name of my Fit Pro smartwatch. But usually if you're connecting some of these smartwatches to iPhones, you actually have to connect to the two Bluetooths of the smartwatch. So this is actually one of the Bluetooths of the smartwatch. You also want to come over to the Watch 8 again, also connect this other Watch 8, which is actually the second Bluetooth of the smartwatch. And at this point, if you actually try to play video or audio from your iPhone, it is actually going to be coming out from the smartwatch over here. So this is actually Apple Music, and if I try to play a sound from over here, you can literally see the music is actually playing, but it is actually coming out from my smartwatch and not my iPhone over here. Now to actually stop this feature, what you want to do is to actually just go over to the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone. From over here, click on Bluetooth settings, and basically what you want to do is to click on the Watch 8 eye icon over here. What we want to do is to disconnect from one of the two Bluetooth so that the iPhone can actually play audio by itself. And as you can see, this is actually the Bluetooth for sharing notifications from your iPhone to smartwatch, but this is not the Bluetooth to disconnect to. What you want to do is to go over to the second Watch 8 over here, which is actually the second name of our smartwatch. You want to click on the eye icon, and then you're going to see this one that has devices tab. This is actually the one that takes the audio from your iPhone to the smartwatch. So you want to actually disconnect this one, and once you're disconnected, you can now try playing any audio or sound from YouTube or anywhere, and it will actually start coming out from your iPhone. So you can literally see the audio is actually coming out from my iPhone over here and not my smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.